Good morning. Doing it Derelict Live. Sun's starting to peek up. Get the live going. Hope everyone's having a really nice weekend so far. Mike Cooper, good morning. Got a cool 55 gasser over here. Couple cars coming in. Looks like we got a 57. Let's run over here and get them pulling in. Good looking 57. Share and like it up if you can. Again, thanks everybody for watching. Sorry about that. What's up? How you doing? Good morning. Nice to see you.
What are you driving these days?
Nothing. Lots of people pulling in. Cool Jeep. Good looking bike. This beauty was here last weekend as well. Doesn't get much cleaner than that. This thing's so pretty.
Yeah.
This here last weekend too.
Yeah, I saw those pictures.
Beautiful. Eric doing his thing. Good looking vet pulling in. Jim from Springs, Arkansas. Good morning, Jim. Thanks everybody for watching. Let us know if we're past something you want to take a better look at. Like it up and share it up if you can. We need to get you like a sidecar or something. Yeah, there you go. Good looking GTO. Good looking Impala pulling in. Full morning so far. Let's rock around and see what we got. Let me know if there's something you guys I passed you guys want to take a better look at.
The next show.
Chris, good morning from the UK. Good morning, Chris. Jim, Springs, Arkansas. Morning, Jim. Good looking Nova. I'd like to see a cinnamon roll. Yep, got some cinnamon rolls inside. Let's go check out this convertible GTO over here. Walked right past it. What's up, crazy kids?
How we doing?
Hanging in there.
Hey, there's a white car parked there. We used to get another white car.
Yeah. It's okay, Charlie. Don't cry. Nice 57. I think we might all be all out of spots. I think this morning the parking lot is full. Uh-oh, this crazy kid's here. What's up, Dana? I think the parking lot's actually full today.
Yeah.
Lots of people. Yeah, well, a little bit. Jason from Fremont, Nebraska. Morning, Jason. Cruise back over here and go down the main aisle. We want to make sure we run over and check out Kip's 911 before he leaves. Lots of people this morning. Rusty, good morning, Rusty. Yeah, really good turnout today. I think the parking lot is actually full. Doesn't get much nicer than that, huh?
Oh, it's nice.
It's beautiful. Look at that view. Beautiful. Sorry. Excuse me. Come back and check a couple of those things out. Let's make sure we run over and get Kip's 911 before it leaves. Still got people pulling in too. Dominic got a good spot. Charlie, that's the best work you did all day.
I know it is.
Crazy kids. Make sure we get this before he gets out of here.
It's dent up on us, but if you look at any of the others,
It tells me the parking is 31 plus 4 months. Would that be a funny way to do
Hey Steve, what year is this?
What's up?
What year is this?
I don't know. He sent me a text message and it's on my phone, but my phone's here, so I don't know. It's a 911 Outlaw. I'm not sure. Sure, it's pretty though,
What's an
huh?
outlaw?
It's just
Is it a gray market?
I don't know where Kip is, or I'd ask him.
I'm just curious.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I like it.
Yeah, me too. It's really nice.
Hey man, amazing turnout.
Yeah, a lot of people
I'm
here.
watching y'all live.
Oh,
Where's Midway City?
it's right next to Garden Grove. Garden Grove is a really small city between Garden Grove and like, yeah, it's like Huntington and Garden Grove, like right there. It's kind of a funny little city that you pass. Tony Chevelle. Full parking lot today, not very many spots. Very cool. That's always a good sign.
I've been watching it for 10
It's a
here, but it won't make it home.
It's a liquid Corvette. What do you mean? Is that really a question that you're asking? Come on.
But I like this one better because it has the...
Online at what? Don't want derelict online?
Good job. Good work out there.
Hey, Steven. How you doing, my man?
What's happening? Nice to see you. Good morning.
We'll get it.
You got a good spot.
Yeah, I just have. Well, I just came in.
Beginner's luck. Dominic's Charger. Sure is pretty. Got Alan's hot rod back there. Charlie's 57. A couple of the C10 guys over here. Joe, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Super Clean 56. Johnny's car. Check out this Chevelle and this Nova over here. Full black Nova. Morning.
Morning.
Really cool Chevelle guys came today. Steve Jones, good morning. This got some really cool pinstripe work on it. This thing's actually for sale. Look at the details on it. If you are interested, here's the phone number for it. Looks like he wants 40 for it. Very cool. Beautiful Chevelle.
We used to cruise up there.
I was standing like right where you were. They were like standing all three of them like about back, and then all of a sudden they go, "Where are you from?" Just like that. No high, no low, or nothing else.
We grew up in South
Chevelles and some Chevelles.
You already have that guy.
I'm from Huntington. Yeah.
From Sweden. Good morning from Sweden.
You're dead alive.
Uh-oh. Nice to see you. Good. Charger. Very nice. Good looking Nova. Good looking K5 Blazer. Cool 56. Share and like it up if you can. Very nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
People coming in still. Let's go check out the tea bucket.
That's why Trump makes a lot of mistakes.
All right, well, let's keep working our way down here. Beautiful caddy. John, how you doing?
Good. How you
Nice
doing?
to see you.
Yeah. Good to see you. Having fun?
Yeah, yes, sir. I was very, very happy to see that you still have a job.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, me too. Me too. Yeah.
Yeah, I know you were worried about it a little bit.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah,
Nobody
I bet.
knew.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you're still doing stuff.
Thank you.
I got 12 estimates.
What's up, man? How you doing? Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Is that having a giant turbo on it or what?
Yeah, I thought it.
Jesus. Before you leave, I have your picture in my car too.
Okay, tight. Thank you. I rode my bike. The car's not working. So.
That's cool. Oh, you live that close, huh?
No, a Harley.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Bike.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But, I just live like
Okay.
3 blocks that way.
Oh, funny.
Thank you again for the photo.
Yeah, of course. Jesus. How long did they say you're going to have your car?
Oh, well, I'm taking it to another shop this week. So it's just been out. I'm not taking it to RV.
Too much bullshit, huh?
They've never fixed it. I don't remember how many times. I already told it to the spot. I don't know how many times.
Jesus. That sucks.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No. It's all good. I was just like, never that shop again. And so now I have to hit this like repaint the hood, fix all the speakers, fix the motor.
Oh, yeah.
Fix the suspension.
So you got a whole bunch of stuff now.
Yeah, this is a list.
Jesus. That sucks. Yeah, and that Chevelle is loud. That thing sounds awesome. Damn.
Oh, this one.
I could change it. But the blue plate with the yellow letters have to match that year. If that year was 1970, blue plate.
full today.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah,
It's your day.
I guess. Not my day.
Man.
Do you like this stuff at all?
I love looking at everything.
Yeah.
There's nothing I don't like.
Yeah. This thing's pretty awesome.
Stuff I don't want to own, but it's awesome.
Is that the difference between like and own?
Yeah. Glad I didn't spend the money to build this.
What year is your? Somebody asked me what year your vet was, or is your vet your Porsche? I'm sorry.
73.
73. Going on. Jason's Camaro.
It worked really good. One time,
Hey, I'll give you a good deal on this. It's for sale.
I mean, it's
But he never gets it. Even if people offer him money, he'll take it.
I'll take it away from him.
Yep.
It's her fault. You get that off.
You got to blame something on her. All right, I'm gonna cruise down here and check out this
I don't know.
this turbo Chevelle. The amount of people here today is pretty crazy. Let's walk down here. There's lots of stuff we're past, and I apologize. I'll check out the that boosted Chevelle. Pretty out of control today.
I keep looking at this and thinking, wouldn't that be cool if they chopped that top of it?
That's a lot of windows to redo.
Yeah, but
That's true. It's a madhouse here today.
Terrible, man.
Too crazy. No 58s this morning.
when I was running nitrous, I went from 35 to 25.
Good looking, Chevelle. Let's look at the action. I know everybody's wanting to look at the motor. Let's get inside. Sorry about that. Excuse me. Good afternoon.
What's up? How are you?
Good. Nice to see you. I see you.
So what'd you get for a new car?
Nothing so far.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's hard to top that one, huh?
Yeah.
So is that just a lease, borrowed it, turned it
It was
back?
a lease. Yeah. Yep.
What's the flavor now?
I don't know. I want to get something old, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna get yet. So, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Your wife,
Classic me?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
tight. Yeah. My wife's like, fuck you. Yeah, I'm not gonna go there. I hate your car.
Did he say what size the motor was?
I'm not sure. I don't think he did.
Oh,
so sorry. So sorry, man. I didn't want to do
It's a
that.
very quiet, subtle car, though.
Yeah.
When it was
All right, let's get over here. Crazy morning. Sun's barely even up. Beautiful box Nova over here too. Yeah, I think it was just so loud pulling in with the supercharger that everybody wanted to go check it out. But yeah, I'm not sure. It's a new build. You know what? Just smash into Kip's car and push it out of the way right there.
He's leaving. He told me to take his spot.
Oh, did he?
How are you?
Good. What's happening? Nice
Good
to see
morning.
you. Where is he?
He was in the back. He's just walking up here.
Oh, okay. There you go. That's a good idea. That's a good spot. Ray and the Zephyr. Kip's walking over to give Ray spot.
Like I might help Mark do it. Well, Mark wants to do it.
Ray said to get your car out of the way.
I'm coming.
I'm coming. All right. Good looking good. Cool K5. Gains. Well, that's an excellent question. Not generally, no revving and burnouts. It's something we try to stick to, just so we don't get complaints and that kind of stuff. So, but yep.
Yeah.
You out of here?
Yeah.
See ya. Nice to see ya. Kip's leaving in the Porsche. Good looking Nova. See you, Kev. See ya. All right, well, I'm going to turn off the live now, and I am going to go around and take some pictures and some regular videos. Let me know in the comments what your favorite car was you saw. And really appreciate everybody watching. Thank you so much.